Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where the live content lives. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Open Google Photos first, because live photos often appear as a still plus a motion clip. Alternatively, check Google Drive for paired MOV files. Once you see the item, tap or select it to expose options. This step matters because the extract method depends on whether the motion is embedded or stored as a separate video. So verify the exact file type before moving on. Now extract the actual motion so you can use a true live photo. If Google Photos presents a motion clip, choose Export or Download. That gives you a MOV video paired with the still. Once done, if Photos shows only a still image, tap the three-dot menu and look for Save Video or Export to Drive. Those options reveal the motion file. On Google Drive, select the MOV and hit Download to save it to your device. This preserves the motion for conversion, or finally, convert and save the motion as a usable live photo on your device. Use a reliable converter app on iOS or Mac OS to wrap the MOV with the still, then save the result back into Photos so it behaves as a live photo. Once saved, you can re-upload to Google Photos if you want cloud sync. If you can't find any motion file, check the original upload settings and re-export from the source device. That often fixes missing motion clips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.